Construction sector is a key engine for economic growth and infrastructural development. The built infrastructure that manufactures products and provides services intended for you. The house that you stay in, the buildings around you, the roads that you drive on. It's extremely critical that raw materials used in construction adhere to the highest standards of quality, safety, and reliability. Certifications, inspection, and testing conducted against the national or international standards by conformity assessment bodies such as certification bodies and inspection bodies build consumer confidence regarding these aspects. However, there is a need for an independent third-party internationally recognized national accreditation body to determine and validate the technical competence, impartiality, and consistent operations of such conformity assessment bodies. That's where the National Accreditation Board for Certification Bodies, or NABCB, plays an extremely important role as a national body in India by accrediting the various conformity assessment bodies. NABCB provides accreditation to certification bodies which then certify organizations for quality management systems, ISO 9001, environment management systems, ISO 14001, and for occupational health and safety management systems, OHSMS ISO 45001, Energy Management Systems ENMS ISO 50001, important for the construction industry. Organizations certified to these management systems by competent certification bodies accredited by NABCB have a proactive framework for preventing and responding to health and safety incidents and systems to support the implementation of best practices related to the quality, environment, occupational health and safety, and energy. It also helps in demonstrating due diligence and regulatory compliance. NABCB provides accreditation to inspection bodies which then conduct independent inspections in various stages of construction projects such as design and stage-wise final and structural integrity inspections. NABCB provides accreditation to personnel certification bodies, which then certify personnel for their skill and competence such as masons, plumbers, electricians, NDT professionals, welders, etc. as relevant to construction sector, thereby providing assurance on the certified persons for the desired functional roles. NABCB provides accreditation to validation and verification bodies, which can help validate or verify the claims related to green buildings and sustainability aspects of construction. NABCB provides accreditation to product and process certification bodies, which can help manufacturers for certification of their facilities manufacturing products critical to construction.
The management system scheme of BIS, especially for quality management system, environmental management system, and food safety management system, is accredited from NABCB as per the international standards laid down by CASCO. Through this accreditation, we are able to ensure that we are strictly following the international standards for our conformity assessment activities, and NABCB periodically reviews our systems, and thus it is an assurance, adds a value of assurance to our system that our experts, our auditors, they are maintaining the required quality of audits, they are maintaining the required competence as required by the international practices. So this really adds a value in terms of the competency of the manpower, the effectiveness of the audits when you actually carry out it on the organizations who implement these systems.
Quality Council of India has taken an initiative by establishing an independent third-party voluntary ready-mix concrete plant certification scheme, which is a product and process certification scheme. It lays down in detail the requirements which the RMC plants must comply with. NABCB accredited certification bodies certify RMC plants for this scheme. Accredited conformity assessment bodies ensure that the quality systems, processes, personnel, materials and technology have been assessed inspected or certified and are in compliance with the standard practices and national or international regulations as relevant. This prevents the potential project delays and failures, reduces the possibility of cost escalations and reworks, and aids the approval process. NABCB has secured the international equivalence of these accreditation schemes such as Management System Certification, Inspection Bodies, Product Certification, Personnel Certification and Validation, and Verification, thereby ensuring that accredited conformity in construction is internationally recognized and accepted. NABCB accreditation helps remove the technical barriers to trade, thereby giving a competitive advantage to the Indian construction industry and facilitating access to global markets. NABCB accreditation minimizes the risk of fake, unauthentic, or fraudulent certificates. The NABCB logo on the accredited certificate provided by the conformity assessment bodies ensures that they are duly accredited as per international standards, thereby establishing their authenticity. NABCB is committed to India's infrastructure development vision and is proud to be an integral part of this key sector. QCI and NABCB support Naya Bharat, Atmanirbhar Bharat.